there she is. She's gonna eat me. I can feel it in my jowls.
She's not gonna eat you. We're gonna introduce you guys properly. Chill vibes, safe space, no surprise butt sniffs.
But what if she hates me? What if she thinks I'm a tasty pagrito?
Don't worry, I've got a trick up my sleeve.
Is it a costume? Am I gonna pretend to be a squirrel? Because that's a bad idea. That's definitely gonna get me eaten.
No, not a squirrel, but it's a bit like a costume. You'll see.
A few sniffs later.
All right, bandana's on. You look ready. Do you feel ready?
I mean, yeah, I was born for this. Also, I pooped a little, just in case it goes bad.
Cool. So here's the plan. Your papa's got you, and I'm walking your big sister, Rue. You two start on opposite sides of this lot. No charging, no yelling, no dramatic declarations of love.
Do I bow? Bark? Roll onto my side and pretend to be roadkill?
You just walk, sniff stuff, be calm. The less you care about her, the more she'll want to be your friend. Basically, ignore your crush. It's classic playground strategy.
Oh, okay. I can do calm. I'm the calmest crouton in the salad alive.
That's the spirit. You'll earn treats for not being a disaster.
I get snacks.
Then, as you two ignore each other, we'll slowly bring you both closer together.
Oh, there she is. What a wonderful beast she be.
Okay, Rue, this isn't about making friends fast, it's about keeping everyone feeling safe. We're not rushing, no pressure, no weird vibes.
La 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 la. Oh, look over there. Oh, what's that? I think I saw a bunny.
Good girl, Rue. Just keep focusing on walking, the environment, taking in the sights.
This is a great walk, Mom.
That's a good girl. All right, bud. We're getting a little closer this round. No weird energy.
Okay. Don't look directly at her. Be cool. Be casual. Be a leaf. Oh, do leaves panic? No. Leaves rustle gently in the breeze.
Let's do that again. Less nose, more chill. See how she's all loose and wiggly now? No tension, no side eyes. That's your cue to stay cool and match her energy.
Oh, I'm matching. I'm the human equivalent of her energy. Oh, I mean, I'm the pug equivalent. We're walking together. She's beside me. She's not attacking. This is a parade. I'm in a parade.
It's not a parade, buddy. It's just a walk. You're doing great, but don't get weird. She's checking you out. You're checking her out. And nobody's screaming. This is a good first date.
I was so polite. I only stuck my nose halfway up her butt. I'm a gentleman.
Yeah, you're a real Prince Charming.
Can she feel my vibes? Am I walking cool enough? Do I look like somebody who respects boundaries even though I absolutely do not?
That's it. Look forward, sniff the world, but not her. Let her choose to come to you.
She chose to walk near me. This is it. This is the friendship arc. Next comes synchronized tail wags. Then we'll probably start a business together. Something classy, like charcuterie boards. Or premium puddle consulting. We'll open a daycare for emotionally unstable squirrels. We'll co-author a memoir. I'll be the face. She'll handle the operations. And every evening we'll walk side by side into the sunset, not touching but vibrating in mutual respect.
Whoa there. Slow down. Let's just work on walking together.
She likes me now. Obviously, I use my charm, charisma, expert level sniffing spacing. Honestly, I could write a book on this stuff.
Or maybe it was the fact that you smelled exactly like my armpit.
Excuse me? I'll have you know that this sweet scent is puppy pug cologne, not armpit. Rude.
No, I mean this. I wore this bandana for a week straight. I tucked it right up in my armpit. It's soaked with me. You're basically a walking sock.
I've been a decoy? A living sweat puppet?
Yep. And she loves me, so now she'll tolerate you because you smell like me. It's gross, but it works wonders.
This is betrayal and manipulation at the same time. But it's also kind of genius. She didn't hate me. I mean, did I think she might? Yes. Did I make peace with that? Also, yes. But clearly, I executed the perfect strategy. Step 1, smell like you. Step 2, do absolutely nothing impressive. Step 3, just survive. Like when she paused and sniffed, I thought that was the end. I saw my life flash before my eyes.
You were fabulous. Good job, Carl.
Later that day.
Time to coexist together in the house. Nothing too crazy. Let's just relax.
Got it. Confident walk, slight swag, chin up. Don't touch anything. Don't lick the wall. Just act real cool like I own this place.
Not so fast. You don't need to be going up in her face. This is why this drag line stays on you. So when your little gremlin instincts kick in, I don't have to go full ninja to stop you.
Hey, you just yanked my moment. Do you ever want her to like me? How is she supposed to know? She's supposed to fall in like with me if I'm being tethered like a clown.
It's for your safety. You can't be clobbering her.
Well, you will have to leave me alone sometime, and I will 100% stand on her back like a tiny lion king.
And I would 100% remove you.
And this is why I won't leave you two alone yet, and I won't for a while. You're a potato with ambition and zero survival instincts. There you go. Low stakes, low energy, low chaos.
She's calm, I'm calm. We're like two noodles, just different flavors, existing side by side, not touching, not fighting, just noodling.
Yeah, I guess. Well, this is all we need today, okay? Just some chill energy, no explosions. So keep noodling, Carl?
3 days and several treats later.
day one of Carl's sibling orientation. Honestly, could have been way worse. So I'm happy, and so are they. So I want to know, how many of you have more than one dog? Do they get along, or is it more of a we tolerate each other for snacks situation? Drop your stories in the comments down below. I'd love to hear all about the sibling drama. And if you want to follow more of Carl's nonsense, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm just starting out, so all the support helps.
Bye for now. And remember, life's better when it's a little disorderly.